Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to record IPTV on Plex. First up, ensure you have both an IPTV subscription and a Plex media server set up. Head over to www.2tv.store where you can find the best IPTV services available. After getting your IPTV subscription, let's dive into the Plex setup process. Open your Plex media server application and navigate to the Live TV and DVR section. Now select Setup Live TV and DVR and allow Plex to find your TV tuner. Once Plex detects your tuner, you can begin confirming your IPTV channels one by one. After channel confirmation, it's time to set up your recording preferences. Choose desired storage location and select how long to keep recorded shows. To start recording, go back to the Live TV section and find your desired channel. Once the channel is found, just click Record and enjoy your show without interruptions. You can also set up scheduled recordings for your favorite shows effortlessly in Plex. As you record, Plex handles everything automatically, making the process seamless for you. And that's it. Keep your favorite programs saved and accessible anytime you like. Always remember, for top quality IPTV services, check out 2tv.store to elevate your experience. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching. Until next time, enjoy your Plex experience and happy recording.